Okay, so like this is the second track golden, like the second one of that. So it's two apparently, and it's just across the street. And bro, why is this place so chill? Like look, it's a waterfall going all the way to here. Like the water isn't clean, but still, like come on, you can't just say no, it's not good. Look at it. It's so good to be just sitting here. And don't forget to subscribe. I really can use your help if you can subscribe, because this is a small channel and I'm still growing. And I hope you guys enjoy my videos. Look at this place, like dude. Look at this. Oh, I can't focus on it. But bro, this place is so chill. Imagine this is like all green and you just walk on it and under it, and this is your home. Wow, it's like imagination. Look at this. Wow, bro, why this is so beautiful. Like look, this is one tree, this is another tree, and that's another tree. What? Damn, look at these. Oh my god, you gotta be kidding me. This is so cool. Like for real, this is so cool. Hey, what's up, dog? And you guys too. Look at this place. Like, damn.